inspiring story for the last. This leader is someone who always attained newer and higher pin levels. A consistent business builder who always had a smile on his face and the warmth in his heart which he spread to all. Amway was deeply shocked by the untimely demise of Rakhalda due to COVID. But he left behind not just memories, but also a legacy for his family and for generations to come. We will always miss Rakhalda with great fondness and respect.
Hi, this is Rashmita Mohanty. I have done my master's in education policy from New York University, post which I started working for United Nations based out of Germany and New York, worked there for a short period of time, then relocated back to India. Here in India, I started working as a policy head for an MP and got married. Alongside the job, we were building the business. But 6 months back, I took a conscious decision to build this business full time and to carry forward the proud legacy of dad and mom.
बिजनेस हम 2000 में ज्वाइन किए, तो अभी तो 20 से 2020 5 सितंबर तक मेरी हस्बैंड जो महांती जी पूरा 20 साल पूरा बिजनेस को स्टैंड किया.
So my dad belongs to a small village in the district of Cuttack. It's a small village with a river running by. So Papa has done his schooling from his village, and then he went on to pursue engineering in electronics and electrical from IIT Madras. He was a very, very bright student. He has even got a gold medal in electrical engineering.
मैं महांती जी का ऐसा ही इनबॉर्न क्वालिटी था कि हर समय सबका प्रॉब्लम्स को लेके सॉल्यूशन देते हैं. किसी को भी नीचे गिरने का उनका आदत नहीं था. हर समय पॉजिटिव सोचते हैं, कैसे वो जाएंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे, कैसे पिन लेवल चेंज करेंगे, कैसे हम वो A60 में जाएंगे और A70 में जाएंगे. हर समय पूरा ग्रोथ मेंटालिटी में रहते थे, दोनों मिल के काम करते थे. तो ऐसे ऐसे तो लाइफ चलता था. तो भगवान का क्या गॉड्स मास्टर प्लान था, तो ऐसे हो गया. फिर भी महांती जी हमारे साथ है, सबके साथ है, उनका ब्लेसिंग्स भी है हमारे साथ. वो हम भगवान को पूछते थे, क्वेश्चन पूछते थे, क्यों ले लिया. वो तो सारे परिवार के लिए भी बहुत सारे सहारा थे और दूसरों के लिए भी बहुत सारे सहारा थे. क्यों ले लिया इतने कम एज में.
I have done my MBA from Symbiosis University, Pune, and after that I was working with an MNC for a few months. And then one day I called up my papa. I said, Papa, I don't feel like doing any more job here. So Papa said, Beta, aa jao ghar. तो वही था उनका. He was my best friend. He is my best friend. He will be my best friend forever and ever.
Rashmita is a big visionary, has wild dreams and wants to help and empower a lot of people, right? And I think this is the right business opportunity that will help her achieve all her dreams and goals. She is very, very loving and caring for all the people around her, and she applies a lot of innovative tips and techniques, right, to build the business, which is why we have built such a huge business together. And now, especially last 6 months, right, the courage and the confidence she has demonstrated in taking forward Papa's business from double diamond to beyond, right, that is really commendable.
I think I would like to point to 4 things where I connected the dots. One is, I am a very, very big dreamer. I always tend to hold that grandest, highest vision of life, of my family in my mind. Second thing, I wanted to build a meaningful and sustainable career in social sector. where solving the complex situations like women empowerment, child education, and third, I think I get my energy being an extrovert, being a gregarious person. I get my energy from the people. You know, when I'm around people, that boosts my energy. And fourth thing, I'm the daughter of Rakhal and Meeta Mohanty, especially my dad. He was very, very enterprising, would always tell me you are the best entrepreneur in the world. I think these 4 points, when I connected the dot, I think this business provides all the, all this 4 into the business. It's a wholesome and whole package where, I can have a career, it's sort of social entrepreneurship. I can have a career where I can empower a lot of people, economically empower women, and at the same time, I can have all my dreams and aspirations and goals fulfilled. Just as I said, I was a big dreamer. And third thing, it's like it's your own business. You can build it the way you want it, because the whole purpose of having a startup, of having an entrepreneurship is, unleashing the creativity that you have within you. And this business provides me that opportunity where I can unleash my creativity. And fourth thing, it's a people business. You're always around people who boosts your energy level up. You're always around people who are very optimistic. You're always around people who have higher aspirations in life. You're always around people who want to grow in life.
Beyond the business, we love to spend time together. We have traveled many countries. I'm a beach guy, she's a mountain girl, but thanks to business, the time we get, right, we are able to cover all of them, right? And we do many things together.
We have a farmhouse with more than 100 plus coconut trees. Also, we have a patch of a land where we grow our own vegetables. So whenever we go to our village, we pluck fresh vegetables. And so I think the bond with the village is very, very strong. So as I said earlier, one of the biggest gifts of this business is that it provides ample time to pursue what you love to do. And one of the things that I absolutely love doing is traveling. I have traveled to more than 30 plus countries, and
I'm only 4 countries behind.
Really? We'll see. And so when it comes to books, I'm a big time bibliophile. I love reading books. So I have a collection of books more than 1,000 plus. And I also love collecting art and artifacts. I have collected art and artifacts from different parts of the world. So I think no other career option allows you this. So I'm really very, very grateful to be building this business.
I'm glad that I'm doing this business full-time along with my family members.
43 ALS ट्रिप हम घुमाए हैं दोनों मिलके टुगेदर, तो इसीलिए ये बिजनेस तो बहुत हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा है.
मैंने तो भैया और रखल जी और मीता भाभी के साथ बहुत जगह हमारे साथ गए हैं. जहाँ पे भी बुलाओ, किसी के घर में बुलाओ, कहीं पे भी मीटिंग करो, कहीं डेमो करना है, हम हमेशा हमारे साथ चलते थे.
और वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व में माहिर थे, और इसका काम करने का तरीका जो हम देखा, और वो देखा कभी वो टायर्ड नहीं होते. घर में किसी को, एवरीवन इज एक्सेसिबल टू हिम.
जब हमें रखाल ने मीता महांती के साथ एसोसिएट हुआ, जब इनका साथ हम एसोसिएशन में आए, मैंने देखा यहाँ पे एक वंडरफुल चीज़ होता है कि दूसरे को लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं, हेल्प करते हैं अपना गोल के लिए, अपना अचीव करने के लिए. एंड इट इज़ रियली आई फील सो अमेजिंग थिंग्स.
क्योंकि ये बिज़नेस जब मैंने शुरू की थी, मैं भी पार्ट टाइम में काम कर रही थी, और बाद में मैंने फुल टाइम में इसको शुरू किया. बहुत सारा चेंजेस हमारा ज़िंदगी में आया, और रखल भैया मीता नानी का बहुत सारा उसको फॉलो करके हम यहाँ तक आए. लेकिन अभी जो रखल भैया का ड्रीम है 110 डायमंड्स बनाना, उसको भी हम दिल में रख के बहुत आगे जाएंगे और उनका सपना को भी पूरा करेंगे.
तो भाई साहब का जो था जो पैशन और जो ड्रीम्स था, हम सब मिलके पूरा करेंगे तो बहुत आगे जाएंगे, पूरा ट्रिपल क्राउन एम्बेसडर में पहुंचेंगे. थैंक यू God bless. We love you.